we are going to do a step-by-step run through of how to make this magic pouch. So we are going to start from the base, starting with the purple color and progressing up all the way to the pink. After which we'll be learning how to seal up the ends and also how to make this drawstring with the button. So throughout this tutorial, we'll be mentioning a lot of the key points that you need to know, the stitches you need to know how to do, and also how to troubleshoot your project. So you have to refer back to our other videos on the stitches for step-by-step of how to do the other stitches. So now I will start with my purple yarn over here, and I'm going to start with making a slip knot. Okay, so after making a slip knot, I'm going to put my hook into the loop and adjust my yarn, adjust the loop to make sure that it's just nice wrapping the hook. And now I'm going to start making my chains. So we are going to make a total of 50 chains for the base. And to make the chain, we are going to yarn over and pull through. So I'll be doing the 50 chains.